Try saying Shivaji in front of a Maratha, and before you even finish your sentence, they'll correct you. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Like, think about it carefully. History had so many kings, but why do people remember Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj even after 350 years? Because Shivaji Maharaj didn't just fight wars, he made defeated people believe again. At a time when Mughal Empire was unstoppable, a boy from the mountains dreamed about Swaraj, the self-rule. But honestly, by logic, he should have failed. No powerful army, no endless wealth, but powerful enemies everywhere. Yet, stronger empires kept losing again and again. So the real question is how? Because for Shivaji Maharaj, warfare was never about swords, it was about understanding people. And his spies changed their identity as travelers, traders, and priests. Before even attacking, he already knew everything about his enemies. So, fighting with him is like fighting with someone who studies you even before you see him. And then came a time where strategist himself was trapped. Thousands of Mughal empires and nowhere to escape. And Aurangzeb believed that the story was over. But Shivaji Maharaj understood human psychology way better than the generals who understood warfare. So every day, the basket of sweets used to leave the place as charity. At first, guards used to check the baskets carefully, but slowly that routine became carelessness. And that carelessness helped Shivaji Maharaj to escape. No battle, no war, and one of the most powerful empires of those times was outsmarted with just intelligence and patience. And what made people respect Shivaji Maharaj was not his courage, it was his character. At a time when wars ignored dignity of women, Shivaji Maharaj rejected it completely. At one famous incident, Shivaji Maharaj sent back a captured woman back to her empire with protection and honor. And this single incident spread across villages faster than any fear could. And this was not just a king people obeyed. This was a king people trusted. And maybe that's why even after 350 years, people stop and say, not Shivaji, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Because some rulers rule kingdom, but very few rulers rule people heart even centuries after they are gone. And maybe the real way to respect Shivaji Maharaj is not just shouting his name. It is understanding what made him great. His discipline, his intelligence, and the way he treated women with dignity even in between brutal wars. Remembering Shivaji Maharaj is easy, but following the values he stood for, that's what truly honors his legacy. So, this is about our Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. To know more about such personalities, follow Kathabaran.